guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. I just got in from the gym. I went to the gym earlier. I also went to the grocery store after, and I picked up my grocery for the week. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I feel like I haven't showed you like my grocery in a while, so I'm excited to show you what I got. I'm also gonna be meal prepping, so I kind of like pick up some things. And to be fair, I didn't write a grocery list. I really do prefer to write a grocery list so I know exactly what I'm gonna pick up. But I was just going with the flow today and kind of like picking up some new bits to try. Oh shit, I forget to pick up something, didn't I? Oh, I forget to pick something up. I just remember I got some meatballs and I forget to pick up like the sauce to go with it. So when I go to the gym tomorrow, I'm probably gonna have to pick that one up. I need to pick up toothpaste as well, but the toothpaste that I use is not at the grocery store, so I need to go to another shop and pick that one up. So I need to put that on a list so I can remember to pick them up. Anyways, let me show you what I got quickly. As usual, your girl did struggle with the bags, not gonna lie, because I have like two big bags here. These. We gotta start with the bigger one first. Ooh. I picked up some crisps. I don't know, I just like to munch on these, so I have these. I picked up some blueberries and I have some grapes. Picked up some banana as well. Oops. Picked up some banana as well. I've been loving banana in my oats lately, so that's why I pick it up. I normally say like only time I buy banana is if I'm feeling for it, and I think I'm in my banana era now. Everything have an era, so I'm in the banana era now. So I've just been picking up banana from like the last 3 weeks, I think. Picked up some bin bags, some bin liners, because I need those. I just love to have tuna in my cupboard, so I picked up some tuna. I picked up some veg, so some mixed veg, because I'm gonna just steam some veg for the week as well. I picked up some burger buns. For the meat, I saw that they have these. It's kind of like in the new section, and they're like 4 chicken burgers. One of them have like 18 grams of protein in there, and I was like, I'm just gonna make all of these when I'm meal prepping and just have them in the fridge, and I can eat them for like lunch or something and just have like a nice chicken burger. So I'm gonna try these, see how I like them. But I think it would be nice to just make 4 of them and just have that for lunch, hence why I have the burger bun, so I can just pack it and bring it to work with me. Also grab some chicken thighs. For these, I think I might just put them in the oven and just make everything just cook. I'll season it up nicely and stuff. Also picked up some sweet potatoes. I'm gonna like bake these as well along with the veg here for the week, so we can have that for like dinner. I'm thinking to do more of this for dinner. So like the mixed veg, the sweet potatoes, and I have like mushrooms. We're gonna do this for like dinner as the side, and then more for like lunch. We can do like heavy carbs like bread, rice, that sort of thing, because sometimes I do eat quite late and things don't get to digest properly. So I think this would be a good way to do it. Also picked up 12 meatballs. Didn't I pick up beef today? I could have swore I picked up some beef, but I don't think I did. Pick up some cheese for the burger. And I have like a big tub of like Greek yogurt, because like I said, I've been eating this a lot lately. Also picked up some pepperoni. Again, this is just a really nice snack. Sometimes when I'm here, I'm just hungry. I just pick one up and have it to eat. Eggs. I picked up some kale. Pick up like a bunch of tulips. We'll put those out. I'll throw away the one that I have this week. So like I've been buying these like weekly now, which I like really love. Some cheese, red onion, and the last thing I picked up, some lettuce. And that's basically the haul. This is everything that I picked up for grocery this week. Like I said, I'm gonna like try and meal prep. I'm gonna try and also stay consistent with the meal prepping as well, because I know that it will save me a lot of time in the week, because I'm eating way too late because I'm spending time cooking in the evening. So I just want to like find ways to make things work for me in the best way possible. So that's why I'm trying meal prep. I've done meal prep before and it really worked, so we just need to get back into the swing of things with like the meal prep and that sort of stuff. So that is the plan. Wrote down the additional stuff that I need to grab at the grocery store tomorrow and at the other shop for my toothpaste. And yeah, let's pack these stuff out, and I need to grab something to eat because I'm super hungry.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you, play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine, and you have got my head.
So I remember I don't have any plates to put my meals in once I make them. I might need to order some meal prep containers just so I can have somewhere to store my food. Otherwise, they're just gonna be in the pots, and I don't want that. I kind of want to like dish them out. So I need to like grab some containers. I only have like two at the moment. One that I bring to work for lunch, and the other one now I just store my banana in there. So I need to like grab some on Amazon. Something that's like easy to store as well, because I don't really have anywhere to store stuff. So I need to like think about that. But I'm gonna like double check and see what I can find when I finish packing these out.
Clouds on the
1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much, just your simple love and it's
I'm also doing like a load of laundry. Well, I've finished a load because I put this in before I went to the gym. So I need to like hang these up, and I need to do like another load. So I have like a load of white and a load of blacks left to do. So I need to like do that as well and see if I can finish up my laundry today. Also, I need to like tidy up just a little bit. There are things in places that they shouldn't be, so I just need to like pick those up, tidy up a little bit, and I need to grab my plant from the bathroom. I did water it today in the shower. There is a hole at the bottom, so when I do water it here, it does like leak through, so I have to like do it in the shower, and at least it get like enough water it need as well. So I need to like take that out because it should dry by now, because I did it this morning before I left to go to the gym.
the simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much, just your simple love and it's everything.
I'm done making lunch. I also wash off like a few dishes that I have there and clean up the kitchen as well. Still need to do like some wiping, so I'll do that once I'm finished. This is what we're working with. So I have like 2 hot dogs and a sausage at the side, and I just put like cheese, mustard, mayonnaise, and at the other side here I just have like ketchup and some Barron's hot sauce so I can eat like additional sausage. So I'm just gonna eat this and get on with the rest of whatever I need to do.
Walking to the market, strolling hand in hand, exchanging letters when you're away. Don't need any effort when we are together. We always have fun throughout the day. I'll do anything to get your attention. When you say you love me, I seem to ascend to the heavens above, where we fall in love. I don't know what I would do without you, because all I need is you. Make me fly to the clouds. 1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much, just your simple love and it's every.
Remember my IKEA vlog? I did mention that my plant is broken. I ended up taping it. I ended up taping it. People use like those long sticks, and then they use like a string and like wrap it just to kind of like keep the leaf. But I haven't got around to finding any sticks yet. So I kind of like tape it for now. I really don't want to lose the leaf. So I'm kind of like holding on to it, but now it's kind of like bending over. The tape is not really holding it as I wanted it to. So I need to find something else like quickly just to kind of like hold this part together. It's so annoying that it break in transport, and it's like one of the big leaves as well. If it was like one of the smaller ones, I probably would have just left it, but it's literally like one of the big leaves, and you can see it's just very like shaky. I water it today and it's not breaking off, so I need to like sort that part out ASAP. Doing another load of laundry like you guys saw, so I'm just gonna like clean up this area quickly. I just need to like dust my TV stand and then clean my center table.
The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. Can't imagine living life alone
If we were to go our separate ways,
'cause with you I feel like
who knows how far we go.
Don't you know that all that I need is your body next to me on rainy days? Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.
Toes look so bad, so I'm going to be doing my toes. They really need to be done. I'm going to do them myself, so I kind of like gather my stuff here that I need. I can't even show you guys these toes because they look so bad. The last time I got my toes done, I went to the shop and I got them done, but I have everything that I can use to do them, so I'm gonna just do them myself. I don't know what I'm gonna. First, I need to remove the polish. I'm just gonna use like this drill. I think this drill bit is fine on there. I've got like this cuticle dissolver thing as well, which is really good for like to push back your cuticles and stuff. All these things, by the way, that I have, that I used to do my own like toes and nails and whatever, they are on my Amazon storefront. I do have like a builder base. I do like this color, so I might use this color on my toes. It's kind of like a builder gel, like a natural color. When I normally do like my own buy up. I think I'm gonna go back to that though, because I really want to give my nail a break. Yeah, so I think the next time I do them, I'm just gonna take these off and have like my natural nails, just to kind of like give it a break a little bit. Otherwise, then you can just easily damage stuff like that. I have white polishing, but I don't think I want any white on my toes. I'm kind of like over the white now. So I'm just gonna use that natural, ouch, that natural color and do it. Oh, I actually have another natural color. It's number 22 in this brand. It's kind of like a natural color. I think this will be maybe like a pinkish natural color type. I think I'm gonna use this one. Okay, so we decide on the color.
Taking you in this moment, come get close like you own name. Read your aura, you want more of all this love, you'll be your name. Release all of your burdens, it's been me you'll be searching. Take a load off and your clothes off, just relax, you deserve it. You keep me up at night, got you all on my mind. Seem like that's hard to find when they keep playing games. Gazing into my eyes, give me the butterflies. Take me from low to highs, what you hear every day. Can't get enough. You get me stuck.
I'm finished doing my toes. Just finished doing the other one. I just need to put some cuticle oil on them, but I'm just gonna like take a shower now. To be fair, they came out really good. I really do love the color. I think I did bought this one on Amazon for sure, like this nail polish. Let me see if I can show you guys what my toes are looking like. I think it's literally like the same color as my nails. It actually is. Let me show you guys. Oh, this is what they are looking like. You can see it's the same color as my nails. They're like super cute. Have like those stuff to pack up, and I'm gonna like take a shower. My other load of laundry is finished as well. I also need to make dinner because I'm super hungry. Oh, my back hurt. I need like a massage. I need to find like a good place to do a massage because I haven't got one in a while, and I really could do one. If it was because I've been going to the gym like so much, I could do it like a massage just to kind of like untense things a little bit, you know. Anyways, let me pack up this area and jump right in the shower. We just got out the shower. I'm gonna make something to eat real quick. Well, I say real quick. I think I'm gonna do like a boiled sweet potato with some boiled veg. I really did buy these to like meal prep with. I was gonna put them in the oven, but I think I'm just gonna boil one of them and have with the fish, and then I'm gonna steam some veg and have that with it as well. And I just have the cod here. I didn't really think about dinner today. I only think about dinner for like the rest of the week and not today. It would have been really nice to have the sauce to go with the meatballs because I could have made that today, but we don't have that, so we're just gonna work with what we got.
I'm more than a snack, I'll be your dinner. Got nothing to lose cause I'm a winner. I got everything here to offer. Everybody else is a beginner. I do more than talk, yeah, I deliver. Don't worry about me cause I'm a giver. Daddy, I'll do anything so I can make you mine. Can't get you out my sight. Take me to paradise. My name, your favorite line. Calling me on the flame. Don't ever have to try. Come let me be your guy. And if you're down.
I'm done making dinner, which look so yummy. I just have some sweet potatoes, fish, and then the vegetable mix. So there's carrot, green beans, I think this is cauliflower, and broccoli. So I'm gonna eat this, and then I have like a few things that I need to do on my laptop once I'm finished, so I'm gonna do that as well. In the meantime, I'm gonna watch TV. I'm watching SWAT at the moment. I literally just started watching it last night because I wanted to eat dinner and I just couldn't find anything to watch, so I decided to just press on that one. So that's what I'm watching at the moment. I'm just gonna watch that one until I finish eat, then jump into what I need to do. I'm gonna grab some water as well. I don't have any juice. I could really do with some apple juice right now, but I don't have any of that, so I'm just gonna have some water and have that with my dinner. Not enough in the jug. Need to like refill this. Okay, I'm gonna let this do its thing, filter out, and then I'll have that to drink. For now, I just have like that much, so I'm gonna like have this. Because at least we get to free up the next morning as well by going to the
Dice. Hope you're landing on me tonight. Might as well let our hearts collide. Set the mood, I'm